With the release of Flutter 3.7 came platform menu bars. Currently, they are only supported on macOS, so keep an eye out for when it becomes available for other platforms. So, this is a menu bar. It has a number of top-level menus with varying amounts of submenus and buttons. So, let's build one. Here in the code, we are rendering a platform menu bar. According to the documentation, only one platform menu bar is allowed at a time. Otherwise, your app will be very upset with you. We have 3 platform menus rendered within. Platform menus have a menus property. This is where we can pass in buttons and other items. Keep in mind that if a platform menu does not contain any children, it will not be rendered. By default, the label of the first platform menu is assigned your app's name, so there's no point in giving it a label since it will just be overwritten. Let's add a platform menu item. If you do not provide a platform menu item with an on-selected function, the button will be disabled. So let's print something when we click save. Now when we tap on it, we can see the print statement in the console. You can also add shortcuts. One option is the character activator. Just pass in your desired character. Let's pass in S. Now we can press S on our keyboard to trigger the function. The shortcut is also indicated beside the name of our platform menu item. This class also accepts a meta boolean, which means when true, we have to press Command plus S to call the method. Another shortcut option is the single activator. Instead of a character, it accepts a property from the logical keyboard key class, from which there are many options to choose. I'm going to go with the delete key since this is a delete function. Now, just pressing the delete key on my keyboard calls the method. There are a few other expected configurations for the shortcuts as well, like Alt, Control, and some others. Now let's take a look at how to nest menus within other menus. Basically, we just add an additional platform menu as a child of our original or parent platform menu. Then we can insert any of the platform menu items we want. You can also group menu items if you want. You can achieve this through the PlatformMenuItemGroup class. As a quick example, I'm just going to add in undo and redo to the first group and the classic copy and paste to the second group. Now we have this little divider separating the two groups. To wrap this up, I'm going to show you a couple pre-built menu items called PlatformProvidedMenuItems. Just pass in a type and choose from the list of all these pre-built items. I'm going to choose About and Quit. Hitting About pops up a little About dialog, obviously, with some info about the app. And hitting Quit terminates the app as we expect. That's all for this one. I hope you learned something, and I will see you later.